Hey guys, welcome to Earth It. Hope all of you are safe and healthy. So today we're going to look at this beautiful medicinal herb which grows 3 feet high, and we would have definitely heard the name in a lot of advertisements. This plant is called as Bhringraj. This plant is called as Karisale in Tamil and holding a scientific name of Eclipta prostrata. This plant is also called as false daisy and falls under the family of sunflowers, grows in moist conditions in regions of India, Brazil, Thailand, China and Nepal. This plant is a part of Unani medicines and Ayurvedic medicines. Considered as a weed, a lot of people wouldn't know that this plant has great medicinal values, tremendous medicinal values. So do not throw these away from your garden if you have them. Having a lifespan of 1 year, this plant is consumed like very similar to that of a spinach, and it helps in treating liver disorders, cold, increases our memory power and majorly gives us dense hair. Propagating this plant is easy, so if we notice these aerial roots over here around the nodes, this particular plant can be grafted and can be propagated into multiple different plants. So when inserting this node inside the soil, it starts to develop roots and gives us new plants. This particular plant is found in 3 different variants. The first one is Peat Bhringraj, or the one that holds yellow flower, which is this particular variant. The second one is Shwet Bhringraj, which holds white flowers, and the leaves are kind of different from it. The third one is Neel Bhringraj, it holds blue flowers. Amongst these 3, white and yellow are being most commonly used. In order to identify a peat Bhringraj, just fold the leaves and look for a black liquid that's oozing out from the leaf. This particular essence is the medicine or the natural hair dye and the substance that's used in our hair oil and is commonly observed in the advertisements. This leaf is also consumed in the form of tea or to increase the digestion, or consuming 2 leaves per day also increases our resistance and immunity. But if you're new to it, please do consult a doctor before consuming them. This is the grafted plant. It's been a month and we do see the new shoots popping out from the mother stem. The growth of this plant is tremendous in almost all the seasons and a little better in monsoons. Higher and faster chances of germination and propagation can be achieved in monsoon seasons. Growing condition, it needs partial shade and a lot of moisture. The soil has to be moist from day one. Using organic compost and organic fertilizer is very important, since we are going to consume it like spinach, or even if you're going to apply it in your hair, something natural is really great. Using compost once a month or using any manure once a month is more than enough, but please do avoid chemical fertilizers or pesticides. As for the soil, it can be clay or loamy soil, but when it's given water constantly, any type of soil will do. And since clay and loamy soil has the property to hold the water when they are given in constant rate, that's a boon for this plant. This plant doesn't have any pest attack or diseases for sure, as far as I have observed, but the only thing that we'll notice is aging, and it'll again start propagating faster. The lifespan is just 1 year, so we can multiply these plants very quickly and easily. Observe the stem patterns if it is leggy, that is, if the distance between the 2 pairs of leaves is more or less. So the ones that we observe here, it's getting good amount of sunlight. The ones that we're observing here, the distance between the 2 pair of leaves is small. It means it's seeking towards the sunlight. So move to a place where it's going to get a good amount of sunlight. Nature is a garden, a pharmacy, a medicine, a grocery store, and almost everything. A lot of people misinterpret for wild plants or weeds to be useless, but by learning the right plants and its uses, that's where the medicines, or that would be the path for a healthy lifestyle. So hope this video was useful. Meet you guys in the next video. Until then, namaste.